Hello, everyone. Today, we're stepping into the world of essential business dining etiquette. Here are some tips to turn those lunches into power meetings. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Come prepared. Before your business lunch or dinner, fuel up with dried fruits or almonds. An empty stomach is the arch nemesis of productivity. Let's keep our focus on business, not on growling stomachs. Dress appropriately and be punctual. If the host offers a drink, consider passing or stick to just one. We're here to seal deals, not test our alcohol tolerance. Stay sharp, stay focused. Pay for the meal if you're the host. Save everyone from the bill-splitting dance. If you extend the invitation, you foot the bill. Whether it's a coffee catch-up or a grand business dinner, be the hero who pays. In group dinners, introduce other people. Don't let awkwardness reign supreme. Introduce your colleagues with more than just a name. Briefly explain their role and relevance. It's like giving everyone a VIP pass to the backstage of your business world. Follow proper table manners. Keep those elbows off the table, chew with your mouth closed, and no mobile games or texting. And please, let's save the napkin for spills, not nose-blowing theatrics. There you have it. Master these business dining etiquettes, and you'll turn those meals into memorable milestones. Until next time, keep dining, keep conquering, and keep reaching for those stars. If you're loving what you're seeing, don't forget to give that like button a little love and hit subscribe to keep the good vibes flowing. Thank you for joining us.